In the previous videos, we have seen the brief introduction about Docker Analyzer, and we have explored one feature, display important information, in detail. In this video, we will look at another feature, that is extracting and generating summary of the given report. Let's see how it goes. So we'll double click on the software and open it, and as discussed earlier, this is how the window will look like once I open the software. So if I have the report on my system, I can input it by uploading the file here. I can click on this and I can select one of these files or reports which I have in my system. Say I will take this report, managing a manufacturing plant. Okay, so once I give the report as an input, the entire text of the report will be displayed here in this window. This is the entire text of the report. Now we'll click on this summary button because we are looking at this feature, getting the summary of the report. When I click on this button, it will give me the option of selecting the size of the summary. In the sense, I can control the size of the summary either to the number of words or through the percentage. Say if I want to select or control the summary size through the number of words, I can give the number here. It took default as 375, which is roughly 10%. I will even reduce it even more. I will make it 300 and extract summary. This is how my summary will look like. And I can even, when I click on this generate summary, it will give the result like this. The entire report will come, but the summary will be highlighted in color, green color. So, and we can also control the size of the summary to the percentage. Like if I choose this button, if I give 10% it takes as default, I can even reduce it. I can make it say 5% and I click on extract summary. This is how my summary will look like. And when I click on generate summary, it will open this window in HTML format and it will give the entire report, but it will highlight the summary in green color. So this summary will be useful for me to just to just get a rough idea of the report. I don't have to go through the report, entire report every now and then, or when I'm explaining it to somebody, when I don't have much time to explain them the entire report, I can just give them a summary. I can take the summary and explain to them the short version of the report, which will give them a brief or rough idea of the report. In the next video, we will look at other features. Thank you.